Hello, everybody. I want to ask you a question. Are you living your extraordinary life? We are coming together to teach you the right steps that have shown us how to live our extraordinary life. I'm Jacqueline Kane, and I am on a mission to show people how to get healthy, stay healthy, and take control for good of all areas of your life. Today, I have brought together my favorite people, some amazing healers who are going to show you what I think are some of the important foundations to create your extraordinary life. And they have to do with your generational energy, your mindset, fueling your body to keep you energized, your prosperity blueprint, and energetic alignment. These are the things that we have found are really important to create and attract the life you desire easily and effortlessly. So today I want to introduce you to my presenters so that you can get to know them. So Erika Dworkin, can you share with the people who are watching who you are and why they should be excited about our event next week?
Sure. Thanks for having me today. Hi, everyone. I'm really excited about next week. I'm board certified in holistic nutrition. I'm also a dietary supplement specialist and intuitive wellness guide. So all of that means that I offer nutrition consultations but they are also lifestyle consultations, and I also have a coaching background. So I specialize in midlife health, especially menopause, and I have a subspecialty in digestive issues. And next week, I am going to sort of step out of my comfort zone a little bit, and I'm going to walk you through an exercise that's an alternative to meditation. Now, I have been recommending and doing meditation for many, many years, but I also know that many of you out there probably have some issues with it. Sometimes your mind just won't stop. So I have an alternative for you that I'm going to introduce you to. I'm going to walk you through it, and you're going to be able to use this exercise anytime that you are feeling stressed out, when you feel that life is overwhelming you. And I just really hope that you will integrate it and embrace it, and then keep living, but living much better.
Love it. I'm very excited for your session next week.
Thanks.
Sunshine Layne, how about you?
Hello, everybody, and welcome today. I am Sunshine. I'm a medium, energy healer, and spiritual teacher, and soul life coach and author. And I'm so excited to be here with all you divine souls today. And I'm excited about the mini retreat next week to be able to get to know you, to be able to share with you these beautiful things that will be offered next week. So, next week, I'm going to be talking a little bit about how all of us, right, our energy and how that's always changing and how we have experiences and we have transitions. And then we're going to go on a journey to experience on how to bring that all together. So, I'm very, very excited about it and cannot wait. So thank you, Jacqueline, and wonderful to see everybody here.
Yes. Lori Pieper, how about you?
Hi, I'm Lori Pieper. I'm an author, and I call myself an architect of joy. I bring all of the healing wisdom and certifications that I've gotten over the years together to take women from that feeling of total exhaustion and feeling overwhelmed to finding their true fabulous selves. And I use several different modalities like Reiki, Ayurveda, perfect health, meditation, and yeah, so it just whatever my clients need at the moment, it is all about my client and what they need. So next week, I am going to be introducing everyone to their bodies. We spend too much time in our heads, and our truth is in our body. So learn how to find your truth and live your truth by listening to your body. Say hello to your body. I'm so excited. Thank you, Jacqueline.
Very excited for that, Lori. And Alana Heim.
Hi, everyone. I'm sure you're in this place in the world where it's like there's lots of stuff going on, and yet we want more. We want more health and wealth, and prosperity is really the name of the game, what I love connecting you with. And what I find is we've been trained to believe that wealth and prosperity is out here and it's inside of you. And really, I've kind of recognized that that's the inside game. You know, whether you're in work, you're in life, your health, your career, all the things that we're focusing on can be outside. And when we move inside, we actually start to bring in more of the good, right? So as Jacqueline talked about, that extraordinary life. So for myself as a cosmic prosperity activator, I've worked in the financial industry, dealing with all things money, financial, and really the fun part about money, I say it's my own natural energy yields, and it's you, right? It comes from within. And so I also have a bag of tools, different modalities. I love using human design, gene keys, compassion key work, emotional freedom techniques, all kinds of different energy pieces to activate. And really, I say galactivate you, because what I know is you are this cosmic being having this experience right now. And sometimes it feels a little tough. So in our mini retreat, I'm going to work with you to come back into that place within, to connect to prosperity, looking from the lens of each of our chakras. How can we work within our body and start really connecting to these parts of ourselves that either are feeling sluggish, maybe they've been having messages for you and have been trying to get your attention, and there's like this nagging pain, and usually we're just like, leave me alone. My intention is for you to really be able to connect into those parts, hear the message, and glean the wisdom, because those messages are what are going to galactivate more prosperity for you.
I love it. I so excited to bring all of you and go through all of your sessions.
So, Jackie, who are you? Who do you serve, and why are you excited about our mini retreat?
I'm extremely excited for this. I am Jacqueline Kane, Master Energy Healer and Low Back Pain Specialist, and I help people get to the root cause of their physical, emotional, and financial pain by using ancestral energy, inner child healing, EFT modalities. I think between all of us, there's hundreds of modalities that we will be sharing with you in the right time. We can't give you everything all at once, but this is just a little mini retreat. Many of my clients, their results are that they are able to release their pain. They are able to allow more money to flow in. As Alana spoke about money, money is energy, and it's your energy, whether you're attracting it or we're pushing it away. So we are very excited for this. Does anybody want to say anything else about the results your clients receive? Laurie.
One of the, can you hear me? Okay. I'd like to share one of the most unexpected compliments I've gotten was from the husband of a client who took one of my workshops. And he said, Lori, I don't know what you've done, but my wife is so much happier. And she's happier because she set appropriate boundaries at work and at home with her husband. She's happy, he's happy, life is good. So make everybody happy and set appropriate boundaries.
And that's the ripple effect of doing your own energetic work to bring yourself into energetic alignment. Everything changes for the better, right? So that you can live your extraordinary life.
I find working with clients and students, you know, the more self-awareness and the more self-love we have, the more connected we are to all our different bodies and systems, right? Happiness, like you say, Lori, is just, yeah, happiness and joy. Joy is the key to health, right? And the only person we can change, even though we'd like others to change, is ourselves. And once we do that, it ripples out, right? We're putting energy into, you know, what is needed instead of banging our head up against something and wasting it, right? We learn to be in a higher consciousness, have a better perception, to understand ourselves. We can't change other people, we only change us. Yeah.
Erika.
So it's a really good question, and I would love all of you to know how important it is to attend to your self-care. And that's what my clients learn from working with me. There's no guilt in it. Self-care is not selfishness. It is so important. We all know the saying about putting the oxygen mask on ourselves before we help others. So when people work with me through a variety of techniques, I mentioned that I bring in a number of tools. So diet modification, lifestyle modification, essential oils, they learn optimism, they learn self-care, and they learn optimism and inner peace. They really walk away with a feeling of empowerment that they know how to take care of themselves because they are giving themselves self-care. They are taking the time to really look at their lives and decide that the way they've been doing things before isn't working, and they take on new regimens that foster extraordinary living.
Alana.
My favorite thing is first things first, we have to make decisions in our life for everything. And with my clients, they learn how they are designed to make decisions. So if you think of, you want to make a change in your career, I've had clients who want to make changes in the relationship, even just making changes in your business, whatever it may be, it starts with you. It starts with the decision. And oftentimes we're taught, especially in the business world, to be quick, make decisions from your head. And none of us are meant to make those decisions from our mind. So for my clients, it's learning how they operate, learning how to discern the energies. And what that means is there are energies that you radiate. There are energies that you feel from the world around you. And that's where your intuition kicks in. But do you know how to separate it and really discern if you walk into a room or you come join us on the mini retreat, right? And you're surrounded by all these people, what energy is yours versus what you intuitively feel for everybody else? And why that's so important is if you work with others, you have clients, you have patients, there is a part of you knowing what are you bringing to the table. I know myself, I know in this moment, I have inspiration, I have insight, I have all kinds of ideas that can really melt someone's brain. And it can also have them be really like inspired and thinking that it's them. And if they know that it's me and I know that it's me, it means I have to maintain a higher vibration. If my emotional well-being can also be felt in the world. If I'm in an emotional low place, I'm the pig pen in the world, right? Bringing everyone down. And so that's what my clients get to experience. They get to recognize within themselves who they really are. They get to understand and stand within these powers, these gifts in their relationships with their partners, their children, their coworkers, their clients. They start to know, how are they really here to serve? And what energy do they bring to the table? And what intuitive pieces can they pick up and be able to also use to help navigate the energy, help this other person? Maybe they just know they're really sad and they can ask if they need a hug, right? And so it's this dance of starting to help each other. And to me, that's the essence of prosperity, because the more that you're in that space of expanding and giving and loving and helping, that's what you're creating more of. And that's what my clients get to experience in all facets of life.
I love it. So what I've heard from many of you is that this is for anybody who's exhausted, overwhelmed, stressed out, people pleasing, overthinker, over yeser. This event is for you, because when we're in that state and when we're in our heads thinking and overthinking, we're not being present, which means we're not living our lives. We're not feeling and making very clear choices and decisions that are good for you. So we are looking forward to this event, our Extraordinary Life event next week. And Sunshine, do you want to share a little bit about what they need to do to make sure that they get the transformation next week?
Oh, yes, I am so, so, so excited. So we're on different platforms. You may have not seen the event itself. And you may see this video and be like, where do I go? Kind of thing. So we'll leave that down in the comments. But if you put, say, on Facebook, on the event that you're going, we'll still need you to register, because you'll need that Zoom link for the week, right? Monday at noon Eastern. So you'll need that magical golden nugget to be here, to be able to, come on with us and join us. So make sure that you go onto the event or the comment and register where it says to please register. So excited to see you guys all up there, because I know there's lots of people that are attending and lots of people say that are interested. So grab your spot when you can.
Yes, thank you. And again, this is on Zoom starting Monday, next Monday, I forget the date.
12th,
The 12th of August.
16.
We are coming on live on Zoom Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday next week from 12 noon to 1 p.m. Register so that you are able to join us each of those days, and you will experience each one of us and get to know us, and so that we can get to know you.
One more thing to add. If you know anyone, if you have anyone in your life that would like to optimize their health and wellness, would like to optimize their life, please bless them with the awareness of this mini retreat. You will change their lives. We hope you'll share to all the people that you know that would like to change their lives and don't necessarily have the tools to do that and would like to happen.
This is our gift to you. We are looking forward to seeing you next week.